Imagine coming home after a long day, craving a hot, delicious meal but dreading the time and effort it takes to cook. In today's fast-paced world, kitchen appliances like air fryers and microwave ovens have become household essentials, promising convenience, speed, and versatility. But as these gadgets compete for precious countertop space, you might wonder, which one truly fits your lifestyle? Let's dive into a detailed comparison, exploring their unique strengths, differences, and the culinary magic each can bring to your kitchen. What is an air fryer? The air fryer is a relatively recent innovation that has quickly gained popularity among health-conscious cooks and food enthusiasts. This compact countertop device uses rapid hot air circulation, much like a convection oven, to cook food evenly and create a crispy golden exterior, all with little to no oil. The result? You can enjoy your favorite fried foods, from French fries to chicken wings, with a fraction of the fat and calories of traditional deep frying. Air fryers are also versatile, allowing you to roast, bake, grill, and even reheat leftovers, making them a multifunctional addition to any kitchen. What is a microwave oven? The microwave oven is a kitchen staple that has stood the test of time for decades. Using electromagnetic microwaves, it heats food by exciting water molecules within, cooking or reheating meals from the inside out. This technology makes the microwave incredibly fast and efficient, perfect for defrosting frozen foods, reheating leftovers, steaming vegetables, or preparing simple dishes in minutes. Its convenience and speed have made it indispensable in homes, offices, and dorm rooms around the world. Cooking mechanism. How they work. The most fundamental difference between air fryers and microwave ovens lies in their cooking mechanisms. Air fryers employ a convection method, circulating hot air at high speeds around the food. This process not only cooks the food but also creates a crispy texture on the outside, mimicking the results of deep frying without the need for excessive oil. Microwave ovens, on the other hand, use electromagnetic waves to penetrate the food and heat it from within. This method is exceptionally fast but doesn't brown or crisp food. Instead, it's ideal for quickly heating, defrosting, or cooking foods that don't require a crunchy finish. Texture and taste. Crispy versus soft. If you love crispy golden textures, the air fryer is your best friend. Whether it's fries, samosas, nuggets, or roasted vegetables, the air fryer delivers a crunch that's hard to achieve with any other appliance, especially a microwave. The secret lies in the rapid air circulation, which draws out moisture and triggers the Maillard reaction, resulting in that signature fried flavor and texture. Microwave ovens, in contrast, are known for producing softer, sometimes even soggy results. While they excel at reheating and steaming, they can't replicate the crispiness of an air fryer. Foods that are meant to be crunchy often lose their texture in the microwave, making it less suitable for snacks or dishes where crispiness is key. Cooking time. Speed versus quality. When it comes to sheer speed, the microwave oven is unmatched. Most dishes can be heated, cooked, or defrosted in just a few minutes, making it the go-to appliance for busy mornings or quick lunches. Whether you're reheating leftovers or preparing a microwave meal, the process is almost instantaneous. Air fryers, while still faster than traditional ovens, generally require more time than microwaves. Cooking a batch of fries or chicken wings might take 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the recipe and quantity. However, many users find the extra time worthwhile for the superior texture and flavor the air fryer provides. Health considerations. Which is healthier? Health-conscious cooks often gravitate toward air fryers for their ability to produce fried-like foods with minimal oil. This significantly reduces fat and calorie content compared to deep frying, making air fryers a healthier alternative for those who love crispy snacks and meals. Microwave ovens don't require oil at all, which is great for steaming or reheating foods without added fat. However, they don't offer the same crispy results, and some concerns have been raised about nutrient retention in certain foods when microwaved. Both appliances can be part of a healthy kitchen, but air fryers stand out for guilt-free indulgence in traditionally fried favorites. Versatility. What can you cook? Air fryers shine when it comes to versatility. Beyond frying, you can use them to roast vegetables, bake small cakes or muffins, grill meats, and even reheat leftovers with a crispy finish. They're ideal for experimenting with new recipes and preparing a wide range of dishes from scratch. Microwave ovens are champions of convenience. They're perfect for reheating, defrosting, steaming, and preparing quick meals. Some advanced models even offer grilling or convection features, expanding their capabilities. However, microwaves are generally less effective for cooking foods that require browning or crisping. Capacity and size. Family meals or solo snacks. Microwave ovens typically have a larger capacity, making them suitable for families or bulk cooking. You can easily fit large dishes, casseroles, or multiple servings inside, which is ideal for meal prep or entertaining guests. Air fryers, by comparison, are more compact and often designed for smaller portions. While perfect for singles, couples, or small families, they might not be the best choice for cooking large batches at once. However, their smaller size makes them easy to move and store, fitting well in kitchens with limited space. Energy efficiency and cost. Air fryers are generally more energy efficient than traditional ovens, but may use more energy than microwaves due to longer cooking times and higher temperatures. However, their ability to cook quickly and with less oil can make them cost-effective in the long run, especially for those who frequently prepare fried foods. Microwave ovens are known for their energy efficiency, especially for quick tasks like reheating or defrosting. They use less power and operate for shorter periods, which can translate to lower electricity bills over time. In terms of upfront cost, microwaves are often more affordable, although prices vary widely depending on features and capacity. Ease of use and cleaning. Both appliances are designed for convenience, but there are some differences in day-to-day use. Air fryers often require you to shake or flip food halfway through cooking to ensure even results. Their removable baskets and trays are usually non-stick and easy to clean, with minimal oil splatter. Microwave ovens are incredibly easy to use, with simple controls and presets for common tasks. Cleaning can be more challenging if food splatters inside, but regular wiping keeps them in good shape. They're also safer for reheating liquids and foods that might otherwise splatter in an air fryer. Which should you choose? The decision between an air fryer and a microwave oven depends on your cooking habits and priorities. If you crave crispy, healthier versions of your favorite fried foods and enjoy experimenting with new recipes, an air fryer may be your best bet. On the other hand, if speed, convenience, and the ability to handle large portions are most important to you, a microwave oven is likely the smarter choice. In many modern kitchens, both appliances coexist, each excelling in different scenarios. The air fryer brings a new dimension of healthy, crispy cooking, while the microwave remains the king of quick, convenient meals. Whichever you choose, you'll be adding a powerful tool to your culinary arsenal, one that saves time, energy, and maybe even a few calories along the way.